how to enable location on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So first things first, go to the three dots line on the top right corner and then scroll down and go to settings. This will take you directly to your Chrome settings. Now on the left side of the settings, you will see privacy and security. This is where you'll adjust your location settings. Now then scroll down a bit and then you'll see site settings. Here you'll find various permissions for websites. Look for the location option and click on it. You'll see two choices on the default behavior. To enable location access, sites can ask for your location. Once you do that, you also see three additional options for managing location. It's recommended to choose collapse unwanted requests for a cleaner browsing experience. And that's it. You have successfully enabled location access on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.